Have you ever seen someone work on Excel and wondered, how do they do that? How do they add thousands of numbers in seconds, make beautiful reports, or track an entire business in one file? Well, today we are going to start from the very beginning. No prior knowledge needed. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what Excel is, what it looks like, and how to find your way around it. Let us get started. Welcome to this Excel course. I'm going to teach you Microsoft Excel from the ground up, from zero to confident. In this first video, we are covering two things. First, what Excel is and why it matters. Second, a full tour of the Excel interface. Every part of the screen, what it is called, and what it does. By the time this video ends, you will be able to open Excel, understand what you see, and feel completely comfortable navigating around it. So, let's start with a quick question. What is Microsoft Excel? Well, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application. Think of it as a very smart, very powerful digital notebook. But instead of lines, it is made of rows and columns forming a grid. In this grid, you can store numbers, names, dates, and formulas. You can make Excel add up numbers automatically, create charts, track budgets, manage employee records. The list goes on. Who uses Excel? Almost everyone in every industry. A school teacher uses it to track student marks and attendance. A shop owner uses it to record daily sales and expenses. An HR manager uses it to handle salaries and leave records. A student uses it for project budgets or data analysis assignments. Excel is part of Microsoft Office, or Microsoft 365 as it is called now. It works on Windows, Mac, tablets, and even mobile phones. Now let me show you exactly what Excel looks like when you open it. To open Excel on a Windows computer, click the Start button at the bottom left of your screen. Type the word Excel. You will see the Excel icon appear. Click on it. Excel opens and shows you the Start screen. From here, you can open a new blank workbook. Let us click on Blank Workbook to open a new spreadsheet. Now look at this large horizontal band right below the title. This is called the ribbon. It is the command center of Excel. Everything you need to do in Excel, formatting, inserting, calculating, is organized here. The ribbon is divided into tabs. See the words at the top. File, Home, Insert, Page, Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View. Each of those is a tab. When you click a tab, the ribbon shows different sets of buttons related to that topic. The Home tab is where you will spend most of your time as a beginner. It contains everything for formatting, changing fonts, alignment, number formats, and basic editing tools. The Formulas tab is where all the mathematical and logical functions live. We will explore this in detail in later videos. Just above the spreadsheet, on the left side, you see a small white box. This is the name box. It always shows the address of the cell you have currently selected. I clicked on this cell here, and you can see the name box shows B3. That means this cell is in column B and row 3. We call this the cell address or cell reference. You can also use the name box to jump to any cell. Click inside the name box, type any cell address like C50 and press Enter. Excel jumps straight there. Right next to the name box is a wide bar called the formula bar. Whatever is inside the selected cell appears here. If the cell has a number, the formula bar shows the number. If it has a formula, the formula bar shows the formula, even though the cell itself shows the calculated result. This is very important. Always look at the formula bar to see what is really inside a cell. The big grid in the middle, This is your worksheet. This is where all your data goes. It is made of columns running vertically and rows running horizontally. See the letters at the top. A, B, C, D. These are column headers. See the numbers on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are row numbers. The column letter plus the row number gives every cell its unique address. The cell you are currently in, the active cell, has a highlighted border around it. Look at the very bottom of the screen. You see tabs labeled Sheet 1. These are worksheet tabs. A single Excel file can contain multiple sheets, like multiple pages in a notebook. You can click any tab to switch to that sheet. Click the plus button to add a new sheet. At the very bottom of the window is the status bar. If you select a group of cells with numbers, the status bar automatically shows you the sum, average, and count of those numbers, without any formula. Very handy for quick checks. Here is a real example. This is how a shop owner might use Excel. See, column A has the product names. Column B has the prices. Column C has the quantities sold. And column D calculates the total revenue. Everything we just explored, the ribbon to format this table, the formula bar showing the formulas in column D, the sheet tabs to organize different months, all of that is being used right here in this everyday file. This is what Excel looks like in the real world. Simple, organized, powerful. That is the Excel interface fully covered. You now know every part of the screen and what it does. You are ready to move forward. In the next video, we are going to talk about the difference between a workbook and a worksheet. Two terms that confuse many beginners. Make sure you watch that one. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions. I will see you in the next one.